Your last angle is reflex angle. Before making a reflex angle, you have to do some calculation over here. First of all, decide that of which degree you want to draw the reflex angle. For example, I am deciding that I am going to draw a reflex angle of 280 degree, because the definition of a reflex angle is that it should be greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. So what I am going to do, because your protector only shows 180 degree, 0 till 180 degree, it doesn't shows you more than 180 degree. So we have to do some calculation. What I am going to do, you know it very well, that if I am going to join two protectors together, 180 plus 180 will be 360. That means when two of the protectors are going to join, they will give you exactly the complete circle rotation, which is equals to 360. So 360 degree, if I'm going to join these two protectors together, it will give you the 360 degree. But right now I am using the half of the protector, that means only 180 degree. So reflex angle requires some calculation over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract my reflex angle, whatever I have decided the degree. I'm going to subtract my reflex angle from the total rotation, that means from 360 degree. So it will be like this. We have to do some calculation. 360 minus 280 degree, 3 will take give the borrow, 16 minus 8, it's 8, and 2 minus 2 is 0. That means we have to draw 80 degree, and then the outer rotation automatically gives you 280 degrees of reflex angle. So let's begin with our construction of a reflex angle. What I am going to do, I am going to make a baseline. For example, this time I am deciding that I am going to draw my baseline of 3.5 centimeter. I am going to put 2 point on the for making the baseline. 1 point will come on the 0 and the other will come on 3.5. This is my 3.5, and then I'm going to join these 2 points like this. Okay, my baseline is made. After this, I'm going to put my protector, and this time I'm deciding that I'm going to put my protector on the right side. Right side means, yes, upper scale. Upper scale 80 degree. I'm going to find out where the upper scale 80 degree is coming. Upper scale 80 degree is coming over here. But make sure that your baseline and your center part of the protector overlaps each other like this, and then I'm going to put the 80 point on 80 degree like this. Then I'm going to remove my protector, and with the help of the centimeter scale, I'm going to join these 2 points together. It's very simple. You just have to focus on your reading of the protector. Now look, my children, what I'm going to do, we just have to focus on the outer rotation, not the inner, outer rotation. So I'm going to draw this arrow showing the outer rotation. Now when I'm going to measure this outer rotation, it will automatically equals to 280 degree, which we have decided in the beginning. But before that, put an arrowheads over here and arrowhead over here as well. Rest of the labeling, this will be W, this will be X, and this will be Y, and this should be equals to 280 degree. How? Now look, I'm going to place my protector again on the same position. Now look, over here till here, yes, over here it's 180, over here this much distance is of 180 degree. How you are going to see, just you can draw the dotted line to measure this. This much part is 180 degree. This much part is representing 180 degree. Okay, and we have decided that we have to make 280 degree of reflex angle. So 180 minus 180, 280 minus 180, 100. That means this much part should be of 100 degree. We have to measure. Look, our upper scale is showing you 100. That means 180 plus 100, it's equals to 280 degree. If you measure this outer rotation, it will automatically gives you 280 degree. Okay, and 280 degree and this 80 degree equals to 360 degree. That means 360 degree is again coming, which is the total rotation of a circle. So this is the proper way of making a reflex angle. Now you are going to do the rest of the labeling over here, because this is your total rotation. So this is going to be 280 degree. This much whole, this much is 180, and if you are going to measure this, it will come 100. 180 plus 100, it equals to 280 degree. Later on you are going to rub this dotted line. Simple. Do rest of your labeling. Angle WX in the center is equals to 280 degree, and 280 degree is of reflex angle. That's it. This is a proper way of measuring and making a reflex angle. Now, some of the topics are present in your book also, which I'm going to give you as an assignment, and then later on further more assignment will be given so that you can more clear at how to draw an angle. Reference video is also present for your guideline, boys, my children. Take care of yourselves.